Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you change your name on Walmart app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you change your name on Walmart app. We're gonna start by opening up a Walmart app. Once you open up your Walmart app, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Look in the upper left hand corner, we're gonna see the three white lines. Tap on those three white lines on the upper left hand corner. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive on this main screen right here, make sure you scroll a little bit down until you see where it says account. Tap on account right there. As you see, tap on account. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you look on where it says manage account. Then make sure you tap on where it says personal info right there. Tap on there. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, make sure you tap on where it says edit personal info, visit walmart.com. Make sure you tap on that right there. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you tap on where it says edit. As you see where it says full name right there. Tap on where it says edit. Then you can switch your name. Once you're done editing, make sure you tap on where it says save on the bottom right hand corner. Tap on save right there. Then you gotta put your password. Then once you've done that, you're gonna see your name right there. And that's how you change your name on Walmart app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.